Why consider Pathfinder's digital board mock test series?
Pathfinder has been guiding students to achieve a 95% plus marks in board examinations for the past 30 years. The mock test of Pathfinder is set keeping strict adherence with board pattern. The solution paper which we provide can be divided in 3 portions. Number 1. Total solution of the mock test paper for each and every question. Number 2. The solution is provided with keywords which when incorporated in an answer fetches higher marks. Number 3. Since all our faculties are appointed examinees of their respective board, they know how the board directs teachers to correct an answer script. Keeping that in mind, answers are provided mentioning the best way to write it so that a student can get full marks in that question. Students from all boards, that is WB, ICSE ISC and CBSE have advocated how our solution paper has helped them in understanding how to frame answers to get full marks in a question. The video lectures provided is conducted by our faculties wherein they go in depth explaining how and why the answer is to be written in a particular manner to get full marks. At any point of time, if a student is having a doubt, he or she may contact us through our subject-wise helpline number and talk directly to our board specialist faculties. In 2020 itself, our toppers have secured a 99% in their class 10 and 12 examination. To enroll for our digital mock test series, you can visit our website or simply call our academic counselor.